Hi, Alex Wescott here with the KOMO Applications team. Today on KOMO Clips, we're going to be going over proper cleaning, regular inspection, setup, and maintenance for your HSK63F tool holders that come standard on KOMO routers. Let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look at the HSK63F tool holder. It's going to be comprised of three parts. You have the tool holder, the spring collet, and the lock nut. Now when you're setting these up, you want to inspect the lock nut for any debris or damage to the threads. With the spring collet, same thing. Any debris stuck inside, make sure they're clean. With the tool holder, you want to look at the clamping surface, make sure there's no deep gouges or grooves. Threads are still nice and pretty, and no debris. Okay, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance for a minute so your tool holders don't wind up looking like this one. As you can see, there's gunk in the threads, rust is forming, and this was not stored properly before being taken out of service. Should have been coated in a rust preventative or dry silicone spray, stored in a cool, dry place, and put somewhere where no damage could occur to the clamping surface. Before returning to service, you should wipe down and get off any residual rust preventative, as well as inspect the threads. If there's any debris, give it a little wipe with your brush, as well as use the ER40 cone wiper. Insert, twist a few. Looks pretty good. Now this is all part of the Technics tool holder cleaner kit available at KOMO.com. All right, now let's talk about setup. You're going to take your spring collet and your lock nut, insert the spring collet until it clicks, and then I like to start the threads on the tool holder. Then you can grab your tool, insert it to your desired height, and then hand tighten until it is snug. From here, you can either use a standard wrench or you can use a torque wrench, which we recommend. The ER40 collet has a torque requirement of 140 foot-pounds. Best way to achieve that is with a torque wrench. It works the same way. Just insert it on the slots, pull until it clicks, and you're good. All right, thanks for checking out the KOMO Clips today. Remember, you can get all the products featured off our website at KOMO.com, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@KOMO.com. Like, follow, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.